Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So basically, if Microsoft Teams not opening on your PC, then don't worry. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step, so you can get back to your meeting fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, restart Teams completely. First, fully close Teams if it is stuck. Right click the Teams icon in your taskbar and then select White or press Ctrl Shift X to open Task Manager. Find Microsoft Teams, right click it and choose End Task. Like this way, you just need to be click this one, Ctrl Shift ESC, and then it will open Task Manager. From that place, you just need to be disable Microsoft Planner. So let's find it out, the Microsoft one. So once you find it out, you just need to be click and task off. So here let's search this one, Microsoft Planner. So it is not available in here, so it is not an issue. So if you found out, you just need to be click on enter, try opening Teams again, and if that does not work, clear the team cache. This often fixes loading issue. Just click Windows plus R and then go to the Microsoft Teams folder and hit enter till all files and folder inside the Teams folder. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats or data. Restart Teams, it should rebuild fresh files and open normally. Then next, make sure Teams is up to date. If it is open partially, click your profile picture in the top right, check for updates. If you can't open it at all, go to the teams.microsoft.com in your browser and sign in and download the latest desktop version. Then if you're still stuck, try reinstalling, like open setting, apps, install apps and find Microsoft Teams, click uninstall, then go to the official Microsoft Teams website, download the latest installer and reinstall it fresh. Finally, check for Windows update. Sometimes a system update fixes compatibility issue. You just need to go to the setting and Windows update options and check for the updates and install anything pending. Then reboot and try Teams again. And that's it for today. Now actually you know how Microsoft Teams should be working again. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.